demarcates in this ward is number 10 or 9 or whatever it is. If for their ward at least they can make a wish list. So then their candidates can concentrate on that. They can ask their candidate to concentrate on that. If the wish list is there, and if we can put it in the newspapers, then their candidates can definitely, and none of them will say no to that. They will say yes, we will do all this for you. So at least you have got a commitment from them, saying that they will do it. Then there are the bigger issues, the garbage of everybody. See, each ward will want garbage. Then garbage is everybody's problem. On garbage, if you can somehow get a commitment from all of them that Bangini, which has been chosen, on which 55 lakhs have been spent on making a project report. They have a full project report, techno transfer have been paid 55 lakhs to make the report. They have taken from here, from Sanjeev, from everybody and made a report. Only they have been paid 55 lakhs to these funds. And it's ready for Bangini, correct?
No, that's why we talk about the reports. Now we are not talking about what is in the report.
No, I'm saying
what has happened to the report. All that will come in the report. We are not going
garbage
into
is totally into it.
Garbage is
55 lakhs on the project, and then they have got sufficient funds for the project. Land has been acquired, if I am not mistaken, by Bangini. So then the question is of implementing it and getting all three panels to agree on implementing it. I mean, since garbage is one of your things, if there is anything more on garbage you want to add, you go ahead and just study the project now. If we have studied the report and we are in agreement with it, we must see, no? After all that, if there are some faults in that report.
That's why I said everyone can go and meet wherever the report is pending now. What is the status of the report?
One of the report is the report. Is the report perfect?
What about the report I gave it to you?
I'm asking
You
you.
read it, no?
I'm asking you. Do you think in your opinion? Because you're expert, no? You're expert.
So I feel it's okay. There is.
You have not seen the JN.
I know they make.
RUM report that the CCP has? The
No, but
CCP have
basically
paid
it's the
them.
same
And you are the
thing.
expert of CCP. You haven't
He's not
been
with
given that
CCP
report.
anymore. He's not. He was with CCP.
You have been advising them. No?
In 2009.
A total sanitation program, waste management
That's
system.
why I'm saying is now suppose
All
you go
these
no,
everything are safe,
no, that's why I'm saying if you go to a list with a list to them and say we want you to revitalize this, yes, it's going to be same like this.
Look,
It's going to
if
be
you want
the
to be a
same.
little specific, I would say something. One is that Bangini issue is heavily politicized,
Yeah.
and when it will actually happen is a question. It's not it might happen or it might not happen also. That until that point, whenever that time comes, the in-between management has to be taken care of. One issue is that the present system has to be reformed, improved. So the existing infrastructure that is there needs to be improved. For that, they always are lacking funds. Despite the fact there's a lot of funds coming into the waste management system of user fees, they need to have a separate account header for waste management. Today,
It's
all
very,
money
very
goes
important.
just to
That's
CCP.
very, very important.
Okay,
Because
okay,
under the budget,
just dictate this paragraph to KT because
Very important.
okay, first point is
under
solid
the
waste
budget,
management.
solid waste management, the
Just-
budget head should be a separate account for solid waste.
They have been asking
Otherwise
for
you
this
get
for
all
a
the
long
money in
time.
and it goes to make footpaths instead of going into solid waste.
This is happening for a long time. A lot of instances can be cited where money was put for waste and it went somewhere else.
See, in this,
Makes
the council
sense.
has no
Makes
accountability.
sense.
Yes, it just goes into one account. So
Yeah.
if you pay a sanitation tax, it just goes to CCP. It doesn't go to the waste management.
heritage policy is not mentioned.
They-
No, it is not there. Heritage is an independent thing.
So here I had just 5 points, maybe could be incorporated.
in the
We'll
state.
get the garbage first.
Yeah. Getting the garbage, the canal,
Yeah.
traffic, and then we'll get into the heritage. We'll just move fast because we got about an hour left.
Similarly, besides the account header, the waste department needs more autonomy because
Waste management cell.
they are having lots of interruptions with councillors and
Other sections.
In decision
In decision making.
And implementation.
Yes,
Then talking about the place where the present residual waste goes to the quarry, there's urgent need for better management of that system. Just for Panjim to survive as a city, if they
Quarry
manage
means Talegaon quarry.
Talegaon quarry.
Yeah, Talegaon
Today what
quarry.
happens is a lot of residual waste goes in there and a lot of unsorted waste also goes in there.
No, and what happens is also today, like I'm saying, you have a lot of exhibitions now. say it.
Once you get them in the habit of two, then perhaps they will be more.
No, start with 2. No, I'm saying those who
Now
started with 2.
then let's make it a 2. Once you have managed to perfectly, then you start.
Yes,
Yeah.
then I think or you
It
have
should be citizen, like the concept of citizen arrest.
Yeah.
The citizen telling
See,
of.
I'll tell you, there is somebody went to court on urinating and this, what is it, Rajat Parikar. He had gone to court, he must have read about that. He went to court because of urinating in public and spitting, I think, pan or something it is. So the court said, yes, this is very important and passed the order that CCP forms a committee and they have a regular checking. So the committee has been formed and there are some inspectors who are supposed to check, who submit a report every day about beggars, people sleeping on the streets also. You see. So a
Punishment.
was taken, we went round and we saw.
With the chief minister also of Delhi. And then they give their suggestions about water harvesting, about garbage, about all those kind of things. And based on that,
So-
Delhi has started this bhagidari thing,
Yeah.
something called bhagidari, PPP, public-private
Who
partnership,
has been
bhagidari.
asked to find, you see, the citizens?
Citizens.
That
That's
is what is
RWA is a registered body,
That is what is
has the
required.
legal powers to file.
So
and
we
to-
want
Can you get
commission
the
like that?
Bhagidari
Yes.
system, whatever they have?
Bhagidari system is the thing which has changed Delhi.
No, but can you get that, how they have done it, that
It will be
people
available on the
Net.
on the Delhi government website.
Yeah,
It will
that
be
is
there.
an important thing.
Yes.
We were
Okay.
thinking of it.
Then we
there.
mentioned
So
that,
that
then we
would
mentioned
work.
that along
Yeah,
the
yeah,
lines of-
see, the Clinton, just the last 7th one, form ward committees based on the Delhi Bhagidari system.
Bhagidari.
Clinton,
Yeah.
Bhagidari. Clinton says.
Bhagidari means partnership.
Yeah.
Yeah.
शीला जी का नंबर हाँ मेरे पास है मैं दिल्ली में थी I was on the RTI committee on that yeah so I don't have it now
But even Bombay has the ALM.
Yeah.
what is AL
Local
Area local management.
something.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
same thing.
they are registered body it's a registered
Some provision, like if you're
That-
saying
that-
ice
that's what
cream,
he
you're
said.
saying.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
It should be within that same.
yeah.
uh,
No, I
Dustbins to be provided by
I
people
think
who sell
makeshift
food items
umbrellas
and
and
slope.
all those
Even the
things.
CWG.
Just put number 8 over there.
Delhi
before we go down.
hawkers were very strict about that. Hawkers, if you bought an ice cream in Delhi during the CWG,
All
and
hawkers-
they open the wrapper and give it the ice cream. Keep the
that
wrapper
actually
and-
that's what should be done but there's a lot of people that don't want anybody else to touch it they find hygiene issues
To provide their own bins. Bins, BINS. So
Put
that
the word litter bins
Separate.
rather than just say bins.
Yeah.
separate.
Yeah.
They have to provide separate ones for plastics and separate for to provide separate bin.
Litter bins,
Separate.
you mean to say themselves.
Separate, yeah.
Yeah.
Separate litter bins.
isn't there a way of putting some kind of penalty on people who throw
There is
There is a penalty.
Punishment
There
for
is already by law, there is
By law, there is
no enforcement.
Okay.
who's going to enforce
Yeah, now the
To come from door to door and collect it. We tell them that this that one dump here, one dump here, one dump here, we want it all cleared up. They come and do it. We are not asking, and it's not happening. More often than people just complain, they go to a bar and say, what is this nonsense? They are not doing this, they are not doing this. Should.
Should.
Okay, Jonathan, you start first with who spoke today and a brief